Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide mature videos on YouTube to help protect your child. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar type YouTube. Make sure the YouTube app is updated to the latest version. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the update to finish. Once the app is updated, open the YouTube app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Inside settings, tap on General. Here you will see an option called Restricted Mode. Restricted Mode helps filter out potentially mature or inappropriate content on YouTube. Simply turn on Restricted Mode to hide mature videos and create a safer viewing experience. If you ever want to disable it, you can come back to this same setting and turn it off. This is a very useful feature for parents who want better control over the content their children watch. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.